To tackle your toughest cleaning jobs, which works on multiple surfaces including brick, stone, wood, aluminium and iron, look at Westinghouse Electric Power Washer, which is a well-known brand in the market. Welcome to MG Factor. I was looking for a reasonably good pressure washer for my outdoor cleaning needs. During my research, I found some good reviews online. It provides a 3-year limited warranty, however I decided to pay extra for a 2-year extended warranty. Now let's start with unboxing and putting it together in no time. Inside the box you will find the parts list that comes with the pressure washer. User manual with detailed instructions. It comes with 25 feet pressure hose and easy nozzle storage. There's a bag with some more little pieces and additional accessories. The power washer has a maximum 3000 psi, 1.76 gallon per minute water pressure, perfect for deck, sidewalks, siding, fence, railing, garage floor, exterior walls, cars and patio. Comes with soap, 0 degree, 15 degree and 25 degree nozzle. Some additional screws and pin for your wheel. It has a metal lance which is really good quality, well built. This pressure washer wand is all metal and well built. It has a safety feature here, so you can pop that up so that you cannot pull this, and hose connection is at the bottom. You can simply connect the extension to the wand. Finally, we have power washer unit itself. The packaging is quite nice. Everything is nicely placed in there. It does comes with GFCI power cable, which is an additional safety. And you have 10-inch never flat wheels. Now let's look into the assembly part of it. For the assembly, I will place the pressure washer on a flat surface. I do the hard part of reading all the instructions so that I can make your life easy. Just follow the video and you will have your pressure washer installed in no time. Stay tuned. I'm going to put the handle first. As you see, you just need to slide it smoothly. It will snap to those pins. There are 3 different height positions which you can adjust as per your requirement. Next, to install the wheel, this is the front and this is the rear side of the wheel. You will need the axle. You will also need the washer, which goes from inside. Lift the rear of the pressure washer high enough to gain access to the bottom of the frame. Insert an axle through the middle of the wheel, washer and the frame. Push a hitch pin into the axle until the center of the pin rests against the top of the axle. Repeat the same steps to install the second wheel on the other side. Next, I will attach the cord retainer. Align the holes in the cord retainer with the holes in the frame. Install the cord retainer facing up. Insert a bolt through the frame and cord retainer tighten to screw with the help of a screwdriver. Repeat the same process on the other side of the frame. Attach the hose retainer with the help of a screws and tighten securely. You will see 4 holes at one end and 2 on the other side, so align them properly. Use the provided screws to tighten them and secure them properly. You will need a Phillips screwdriver. Now place the power cable onto the cable retainer. This is an easy step. Now attach the wand holder facing upside down. It will be in the angle so that you need to properly align with the frame. This is your power switch. This is your half-gallon soap tank, and you will connect your hose, garden hose, at this point. Now let's see how we can connect the nozzle. It will not just go like that. We need to press it down, then insert your nozzle and pull it, and it will connect. To release, press it down and pull the nozzle out. Connect the high pressure hose to the pressure washer. Screw the collar onto the trigger handle and securely tighten it. So here you have it. In my opinion, assembly was a breeze. Make sure everything is securely fastened according to the manual instructions. Just pop everything into place, which I really like about this pressure washer. Stay tuned for my next video wherein I will be testing out the product and share my feedback. If you find this video helpful, do hit the bell icon so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. Do like, share and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.